Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Walk one again, Unstoppable family. So people, Jamaicans still crying out. Now, the brother here sent me a video and him say, Unstoppable, would I like you to put this forward? Because I want the Prime Minister to know, say, yo, the cries of his people, meaning the Jamaican people, are fall upon him. The man also said he want Jamaican people to read between the lines and look into certain things. The man said, if you look on the fact that when this outbreak started, Jamaica was one of the countries that had limited number of persons infected. And then all of a sudden, it just skyrocketed. The man said, read between the lines. What caused that? Now, him also say him send the Prime Minister a letter. Now, I don't know what was in the letter because him never detailed that. But him say him send the Prime Minister a letter addressing certain things. I'm going to make you take a listen to what him have to say and then you talk to me in the comments about it. Zane, let's listen.
Hey, me I say Jamaica. You know, I said the other day, I wrote a letter to the Right Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, expressing certain concerns pertaining to all this darkness that imposed upon the Jamaican people. Saying, I know him get the letter because I put track upon it. So I know him receive it, I know when him receive it, and I know him read it. But him disregards it. So that is why I go public. See me? Because the Prime Minister don't want to hear the cry of the people. See it? Now, obviously, who have eyes to see, let them see, and who have ears to hear, let them hear. See? Now, obviously, who have eyes to see can see say something is wrong. You understand? And who want to be in denial can stay in denial. But something is wrong. Seriously wrong. Who of us? So watch me now. Jamaica. We are give them in parables. Read between the lines. Parables. Sight? Yeah. Remember, when them virus came out and was rocking the world, Jamaica was one of those places with little or no cases of the virus. See? Little or no cases are reported cases of any virus. Sight? Yeah, I remember that clearly. See? Shortly after the virus and mash up other parts of the world, Jamaica was paid a visit, seen by a certain individual. And from the moment that individual visited Jamaica, all of a sudden, Jamaica was packed with the virus. Sight? And the Prime Minister and his cronies start to tell the Jamaican people a bag of crap. And influence other people if do the same, like, you know what I mean? And now, all of a sudden, the Jamaican government, the leader of the flock, the leader of the country, urging the people to take poison. Sight? Yeah. Common sense prevail. And all who say this is not biblical, it's biblical. And the biblical days, this, you know. If you don't know, I could tell you now, this is the biblical days. We are at Revelation at the moment. With that Revelation, the thing there right now as we speak. Revelation. If a man biblical enough, if a man have followed the Bible, if a man have knowledge of the things that is to come, a man don't know so right at this present moment we are in the revelations. Look around. Bible says must watch and pray. Bible says if you look for signs and look around. This is the signs. Seeing they might try urge people to take the poison, the mark of the beast, and the psychology, psychs them I use upon the people. You understand? So no careful. You don't have to be careful, people. If you don't trust God, continue to trust God. Even if you don't fall short and sin more time, I'll have to just call upon God and ask for forgiveness and repent and keep going. But don't fled from the presence or the covenant of the Almighty. Yeah? Hold on to God same way. What is to be must be. You understand? What is to be must be. And time is a ruler. Time is a ruler. Body can't beat time. You understand? Body cannot beat time. So watch and pray, people. In the process of time, yeah, because some people are on a Gillan mission. Some people never see what going on, them are Gillan. Some of we're supposed to be Israelites. And the woman them are one of them. The woman them, today's women, are one of them we are mislead and are going some antics out there in the wilderness. And now focus. And the man them were weak to the flesh and follow behind them. And that is why we'll get caught in a frolic. And when you realize it's gonna be too late. Too late. I'm gonna be in a cry. May I watch them? May I watch them and I sidestep them? You understand? Mr. Andrew Holness. The cry of the people is upon you, yeah? Mr. Andrew Holness, the cry of the people is upon you.
Well, alright. How much I want to read between the lines upon what the man has said? And who are the person who you feel him a refer to where him say visit Jamaica and then after that all hell break loose? If you don't know who, talk me down below in the comment section, yeah, man. Cause me don't know, maybe you can inform me upon that. Zane? Yeah. Now, moving on to another general who sent me a video as a matter of fact. Now, this time the man address the viral voice note. Alright, when you see Carlos address the voice note the other day with the police officer I talk about him go figure get some food at KFC and thing, and then he must say, boy, if this are the way the country are going to go where police officers getting neglected, then they are going to come when police officers are going to turn them back on the people and don't go out whenever people want help. Well, the general want to voice his opinion panda voice note there towards the police officer. So take a listen.
I see you send out a video where you say you can't get nothing to eat. And that video where you send out is wrong and it's bad. Right? Because what you must realize is that the nurses them get a treat. The government treat the nurses them, the NHS workers them, right? Well, you must try to remember, you know, police officer. You must try to remember that you know, as you get treated all the time from the public, you know, you get treated from people who own business place and people who know you up and down from the road. Now, the NHS people them now, which is the health service people, right? Kentucky's and Wendy's put in a little treat this for them. And the treat them put in for them now. Then I think you never like it. Right? You never like it because you go to this place now to buy a Kentucky Fried Chicken and you go to Wendy's and them turn it down. Right? You never get served and the place locked down and the place shut down. No, you damn well know say you was going to leave your house to go to work. So why is you was going to leave your house to go to work? You should prepare something. You should make preparation. You should prepare. Whether you leave your house or not, you should make preparation because the country locked down, so you have to survive. But what about the people where have so much children and a family indoors and can't get nothing, and you out there on the street? Every police officer and everybody who out there on the street know where to go and find something. You know exactly where you can go and find something, but you know what happened? You just want to treat yourself to Kentucky. And because you feel so damn bad, because you go to Kentucky and you get turned down. Then turn you down because they never appreciate your ID, you never take your ID never go through. Sometimes when you go to some places, like the bank, and when you see people queue up, and you come in and you walk past them and you go to the till and you go to the cashier, and people did a long time I wait, and when you come in and get served, and gone. No, me think all I know should have wait like anybody else. That's if even criminal come in the bank and see you know, them can intimidate it. I know so then for go away because police in there. Right? Now when you come in a one bank, you don't want to just get served and gone and leave people there who waiting all this time. Them type of thing that's wrong. Right? Because you is nobody special from nobody. So everybody should treat it equally. Equally, and that's what Jamaica don't have. They carry class extinction. Thank God for England. Yeah? But there are New Kingston already and see police officer come in there and walk past in the bank and get served. And the people them start to lash out. Why they start to lash out? Because them is there a long time waiting and police officers pass and go up there and go laugh and chat to their friend and get served and gone. And them are no foreigners. Money they get for come change. And then come change the money and change the money and gone. And we who work hard for our money and come out there if we come change our money. Only come in and come change the money and gone. The people then cry out on that. And from that now the people then cry out and put a stop into it. And that cause you don't know if you queue up. You don't go in a one bank and so not queue up now. Yeah? So only no special for nobody else. So true you go in a Kentucky Fried Chicken now. You buy a Kentucky Fried Chicken and you get turned down because your ID never good enough. Now the people them for Kentucky Fried Chicken and Wendy's, they's the one putting out the treat, you know. To the nurses them, to the NHS workers them, to the health workers them. On the outer street, I get treat all the time, you know. Every time I get treat. People as they are giving us things and as they get things. But the one little time now, your ID never work and your respect never work now. They put out a viral video now how the country I go. And it make it seem like say they are going to hijack the country to me. So if people want to get served, if people ring up the police and call on you now for your service, you're going to turn a blind eye now. Because the police are getting a Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's so bad. To see how you really talk about Kentucky Fried Chicken. Because you never get the Kentucky Fried Chicken that day. I mean, I tell the officer, you could have found somewhere else to get your lunch. You know where other place. The place locked down, but you know every little corner. You know enough good place where you can go and get lunch, of course. No places you can go and get lunch, but you want Kentucky Fried Chicken. And you never get served, you think the whole country will come to a end. You think the world will come to an end. You don't want to come see people work overseas. Let me tell you this. I see police officer over them place here. I have them sandwich and have them cup of tea and then get a call. And they have to throw it and move. They have to leave it there. Drive away, leave it. Go. And then I know what type of call them I go on. And they have to leave them cup of tea in a cold and winter. And you know out there who are them type of prestige type of life. And you quarrel over a little Kentucky Fried Chicken because you never get served. Now this is why I say still you know, because I know lots of people love to jump and cuss and say you eat that and you that. But you never have to carry on like that still you know. You say you serve for 30 odd years and then you can't get something for heat. Where you forget something from for heat, and if you know, say you either take tablet or you take medication, either dead for hungry and blah blah. You just sort yourself out. You sort yourself out, you make preparation. You make preparation for what you're gonna go on. Right? If you know you're gonna have tablet what you have to take, then you make preparation. You carry one sandwich in your pocket and your bag and your car and your car trunk or something, but you carry something, a bottle of water and something there to take your medication. You can still keep up. But when you use too much easy, prestige life. But sometimes you have to take the rough for the smooth, you know. Sometimes it's tough and sometimes it's rough. So you don't need to carry on about that we look at Kentucky Fried Chicken because you never get served. That's to make you want to look like say, well, them boy, the way how you vex and upset. If you should get a call now to the public, you can't come to the rescue because you know you're hungry and you're not eating lunch, so you know no point no one will come after. We're going to turn a blind eye. So who you blame for that now? The government? Or the Wendy's or Kentucky? Or who you really blame? I don't like to know who you blame. Because you can't blame the government because never the government put out that thing on the people and treat the health workers them, you know. And the health workers them are treat, so you could have go somewhere else. Go get something. So sometimes some things want to do still don't really make sense. You know much people then car get take up from police and when you look the mirror gone, the wheel gone, this gone, that gone. You know much police battery for the car, them vehicle them gone over there, enough things are going on, you can't tell people, you know, everything are go missing and everything are missing. Even you look at gas when you're supposed to get on and collect it for yourself, you know. Putting in a owner vehicles. A whole lot of things are going missing. Because nothing hard it for the police vehicle them. Everybody coming and take on them for take 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 and take on them for take. Everybody coming and do what them for do and do what them for do. Nobody not governed by nobody, you know. Everybody just go to a road and just do what they want to do and have no concern about the public, about nobody else. But when you come out and talk about this Kentucky Fried Chicken, I think it's wrong. I think it's wrong. And Jamaica call us me a support on this. And back me a back up on him say, you can't hold the country to ransom because you don't get a Kentucky Fried Chicken. You can't. You can't go down the road and get some stew peas and rice somewhere else. Yeah? You can't get some ital stew down the road from the restaurant there where cook on the road. You don't know every little crevice and corner when you can go get something. So you never have to hold the country ransom for that. So you now go look after the people again because you never get no lunch. It's wrong. It's wrong. Don't bring the police force into this approach. It's wrong. Wrong thing you're doing, Mr. Police Officer. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. It's not all that bad.
So we reach the end of the video right now, and I your time for you to talk to me down below in the comment section. Your opinion or what we want down below in the comment section. What you have to say about everything that was said in this video? Do you agree or disagree? What you say? Talk to me down below. Zane, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, then we are upon. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, then you must get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.